Hi, this is Mike Turlone of One Systems live at ISE 2018 in Amsterdam. And here at ISE, One Systems is showing the new One Systems Silver Series speakers. These are small and medium format speakers designed for inland fixed installations. Among the many features of this product, it has proven One Systems weatherproofing, including very thick-walled injection molded enclosures. The speakers all come with structural steel U-brackets with a dual layer zinc rich powder coat, and they have again, the capability of being used in outdoor applications. All of these speakers are both low and high impedance, and they all have 3-tap auto formers on board, and we use separate input terminals to address either low or high impedance uses. For more information on this product, you can visit our website at onesystems.com and get more information on the new Silver Series speakers. Thanks a lot.